Assalamu alaikum. I am Tariq Bhatti from class BSCS 2K17, Sindh University campus Ladkana. I am here for present my presentation about software engineering. Chorus outline: software engineering, system software, application software, software processes, water mood software evaluation. History of software engineer. The term software engineering became known after the conference in 1968, when the difficulties of pitfalls of the decision complex system were frankly discussed. Software engineering. Software engineering is the branch of computer science. Software engineering is the systemic application of engineering approaches to the development of the software. The software is a collection of integral programs. Software contains carefully organized instructions and code written by programmers in any of the various special company language. Type of software: system software and application software. Engineering. It is a systemic and technical approach which tells you the method to carry out the work. It can be defined as applying something technical method or algorithm in the system way. Systemic way. System software is a general purpose software which is used to operate computer hardware, to provide platforms to run application software. Categories: operating system and Unity software. Two types of system software. Operating system is a software which acts an interface between the end user and computer hardware. Every computer must have a least number of operating system to run the computer. Example of operating system are Linux, Microsoft, Windows, Unix, Android, MC. Unity software is a system software designed to help analyze, manage, maintain and control of the computer resource. Application software. Application software is a specific purpose software which is used by user for performing a specific task. Some example application software are word process, web log, media player, etc. Software processes. Topic 2. Software processes. Software process, also known as the software development life cycle, is a structure implement imposed on the development of the software product. Software product is a presented as well set of work phase that is applied on the designing build a software product. Software specification. Software specification. A software specification SSC is a document that describes what the software will do and how to the will be expression of the form. Software software designing and development. Software designing which helps the programs, software coding and implementations. Software development is the process of writing and management the source code. Software validation. Software validation is the process of calculating software product so as to confirm that the software happiness of the predefined and specified business requirements as well the end user customer demands and expressions. the software evaluations. Software evaluations is the referred to the process of the developing management and understanding the software for the various season. Come of these features include requirement changes, error is the security batches, new implement added in are removed. Waterfall modes models. Waterfall model is the order that divides into the predefined physical water model and explain the sequential model each the designing for the performing a specific activity during the SDLC phase. It was introduced by 1970 by the Rednos Loisi. State of waterfall model. Requirements, designing stage, text stage, development stage, maintenance stage. Different phase of waterfall model in the software engineering. During the phase, design requirements of the software system to be developed, the gathering from client. Designing stage, here we will decide what language to use this project. Implementation, test phase. After the After the designing stage, it is implementation. Please it will all of the actual code written. This phase belongs with the programmers in the waterfall method. Text stage, in the phase you tested software to verify that the bullet is per the specification given by client. Development phase, maintenance phase. Development phase, development the application is a complex of involvements after the project learn, test product and the product phase. Each testing phase, the product is ready to go live. This means that product is ready to be used in the real environment by all the end user of product. Maintenance phase, during the maintenance phase the team ensures the application is running smoothly on the service without any downtime. Waterfall model advantage, disadvantage. Advantage, this model is a simple, easy to understand and use waterfall model. Well, the similar project where requirements are clearly defined and very well suited. Disadvantage, one and application the testing stage, it is a very different to go back and change smoothing that it was not. Risky analysis. First, why risk analysis is important? Because tools of things can go wrong in the project. Understanding the risk and taking proactive, because the avoiding the manage and the risk analysis is a good step. They help to create analysis of the risk, identity how may to be at risk. Risk analysis. Their problem can execute implemented in schedules, cost or quality of the softwares. Risk analysis, it is a really good idea to identify the risk, calculate the impossible of happening. Two big risk type. Project risk is product risks. The software information. Software information is the Trim, which refers the process of developing software integrally when the time updating for the virus response, i.e. to add new features to or remove robust function etc. The environment process includes fundamental activities of charging analysis, planning system implements and realizing a system to customer. The cost and impairment of the system change are assessed to the see how much system is failed to change the much it is might cost impairment. The change of the proposed change are accepted as the release of software system planned during release planning as well proposed change affects repair adaptation and the new functionality are considered. A designing is then made which we change implement in the next vision of the system. The process the process implemented the integration of development processor where the vision to system are designed, implements and the tested. Law used for software environment. The law of construction changed the law static and the software system that represents some real world reality integration requires change of the because possibility less useful than the environment. Law of the necessary complexity. As well program changes its schedule because more example unnecessary efforts are the made the avoid problem mention law of the conservation of the organization stability. Over the lifetime of the program, the rate of development of the program is the opportunity contact and independence of the resource developing as the system development. Law of the conservative of femality. The law states that during the activity female of the program change made in the success slave are the most content in